Okay, so for this video we're going to divide 4x minus 7 over 2x minus 16 divided by 4x minus 20 over x minus 8. These are two rational expressions. We have fractions with variables in the denominator. So as long as you can simplify a rational expression, you'll be able to do these. You do have to keep in mind that whenever you are dividing, so let's say we were dividing a over b divided by c over d. In order to do that, you keep that first term as is, change your division to multiplication, and you've got to flip that second expression. So we're going to do that. We're going to take our 4x minus 7 over 2x minus 16. We need to change our division to multiplication, and then take that second expression and flip it. Okay? And then at this point, you just need to simplify the two rational expressions as much as you possibly can. So in order to do that, you need to factor. Factor everything that you can before you go through and start canceling in individual terms. So let's start with the 4x minus 7. Two terms, always check for a GCF. There's not one. Then you see if you can apply a difference of squares formula or some formula to allow you to factor, and that you cannot do either. So we're going to keep it as 4x minus 7. It can't be factored, so that one's finished. 2x minus 16. Again, you have two terms, so check for a GCF. And both 2x and 16 have a common factor of 2, so we're going to factor it out. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 8 is 16. X minus 8, that's factored as much as it can be, no GCF, and no difference of squares. 4x minus 20, again, check for a GCF first. It has one of 4, so we'll factor that out. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Alright, so let's go through here and see if we have any common terms on the top and the bottom. And as long as you have a product here, you can cancel this denominator with this numerator. Now, if this sign were addition or subtraction, don't do that. You can't go through and cancel. Only if this were a product. Okay? That is the only common term out of all of this, from the top and the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and write what we have left over. In the top we have a 4x minus 7. In the bottom we have a 2 and a 4. Since this is a product, we're going to take 2 times 4 and go ahead and write that as 8. And then just bring over our x minus 5. And that one is finished.